I want to do this for infinity, but I can't. So I want to make it specific, and I'm not going out on my own terms. I made a promise to the fan base when I started that when I got to step slower, I got to walk away. WWE superstars don't necessarily retire. They always kind of hang on for one more match. I am absolutely 100% done. The 13th of December on Peacock is my last in-ring.
You will never wrestle again.
Never wrestle again. There is no amount of money. You can't write me a check to bring me back. In December, I am done because of the promise I made to them.
Thank you so much. That's all. Saturday night main event. The GOATs. One last